Hello everyone, it's here again. Today, I'm going to be doing another brand new reaction video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to Dan of My Little Pony and Sophie the First fan of a video of his that he recently uploaded like 8 hours ago. And the video of his I'm going to react to is called Taste Test number 297, McDonald's new Chicken Big Mac. So yeah, I'm going to react to it. So now, let's get the video right now.
Hi there, everybody.
Yo.
How you doing? It's me, Dan the My Little Pony, and Sophia the First fan here. Welcome back to another taste test review. So, for today's taste test review, we're reviewing the new Chicken Big Mac right here in McDonald's today. So, I'm going to open this package right here so we can show it to you closely on the thumbnail. So, let me go pick this up momentarily. Okay, so this is what the Chicken Big Mac really looks like. It has a good sesame seed bun with a good chicken patty right there. It's kind of like a nugget right there. With the pickles and the lettuce and Big Mac sauce with the cheddar cheese right here. And that's another chicken patty right there on the bottom side. So that's why they call it the Chicken Big Mac.
Yep.
Now, let me just get things a little bit started here. Okay, first I gotta add a little barbecue sauce for that one. Okay, so let's get ready to taste the new Chicken Big Mac from the folks over at Mickey D's. Let's peep this out. Now, I really love the Chicken Big Mac because I believe the Chicken Big Mac has a really good similar to the regular Big Mac. So, what do you think would be the difference? The actual Big Mac or the Chicken Big Mac? Drop the comments down below and definitely let me know how you can tell the difference. So anyways, let's go for another bite. Now that tastes really good. I have to give the new Chicken Big Mac from McDonald's a 25.9 out of 10. So thanks for enjoying the taste test review. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you later for more videos. Enjoy your day.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this reaction. I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload. And share my videos, and reaction videos, and other videos that are reaching out to your friends' videos if you want your choice. Because I am making it. So yeah. And don't forget to spread the Dan. Don't forget to spread the Dan on My Little Pony and Sophie. First fan, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe. If you give me it. And on the main channel here, Red Road to 3K subscribers. And on the back of the channel, Super Train 2.0. In the gaming channel, Stunning Gaming. Bumping them on the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah, and that's the end of this reaction video. And I'll see all more banger reviews, more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Super Train signing out. And peace, darlings. And peace out, everyone. Boop.